Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to check the new FPV watch from Topsky. In this video, I'm going to quickly go over its features and then head outdoors and test it out. Inside the box, first of all, you can find the FPV watch. This holder that will enable you to replace the watch strap and then mount it on a remote controller. For example, there's a manual in 5 different languages, including English of course, and this bag of accessories that contains a simple linear antenna with a 90 degrees MMCX connector, a USB to micro USB cable for charging the watch, and a Velcro sticker that attaches to this part of the holder. In terms of specs, this watch features a 4x3 2-inch screen with a resolution of 320 by 240. It has an internal 5.8 GHz receiver that supports 48 channels and auto search, and it has a built-in 300 mAh 5V battery, and shortly I'm going to test its working time. On the right side of the watch you can find the channel, band and the MMCX antenna connector. So you can simply attach the antenna in this manner, and it has this holder which is a pretty nice add-on. The watch itself is extremely easy to operate. In order to turn it on, you will need to long press the band button. Then the Topsky logo is going to appear. And then you can simply change the band and the channel by short pressing either the band and channel buttons. And you can see the indication over here. And if you'd like to perform an auto search, long press the channel button, and then it's going to be started. Now I'm going to plug in my Mobula 7 HD. The VTX is set to F1, which is 5740. So let's start the scan. It took about 20 seconds and it actually found the best signal on 5745, which is pretty close, but still not 5740. So I'm going to manually set it to 5740. And as you can see, the quality of the screen is really good. In order to turn off the watch, press the band button until the screen is going to be turned off. The watch is pretty comfortable to wear on the wrist. It weighs 66.8 grams, including the rubber strap. And if you'd like to remove it, just insert a sharp object to this hole, give it a little press, then do the other one, and then it's simply going to be removed. Then you can simply attach this provided accessory. And then using the provided Velcro sticker, you can attach it, for example, to your radio transmitter. On the left side of the watch, you can find a micro USB port for charging the internal battery. Next to it, you can find an LED indicator. When it's red, it means that the watch is being charged, and when it's blue, it means that the charge was complete. The charge rate is about 0.35 amperes, so it's going to take about 50 minutes to fully charge the internal battery. As you can see, now the battery is fully charged, and now I'm going to test the working time of the watch. According to my test, the working time is around 45 minutes, which is in my opinion a pretty good result. The next thing I've done is to head outdoors and test the Topsky FPV watch using the included antenna and using the Foxeer Lollipop 2. And this is, by the way, a pretty nice feature of the Topsky FPV watch, that it allows you to use any antenna that you have, either by using one with an MMCX connector, or you can simply use an adapter. Overall, I can tell you that the Topsky FPV watch is a pretty nice gadget. It's not very expensive and costs around $40. The quality of the screen is great. The built-in receiver performed also very well. It has a replaceable antenna, and the battery life is pretty decent. The only 2 points for improvements that I have is that first of all, there is no battery indication on the OSD, and second of all, it could have been great if they added a DVR. I know that it would probably make the watch a little bit more expensive, but still having the ability to record and play back your flights could have been a very nice feature. I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video. As always, if you have any questions about the Topsky FPV watch, feel free to ask it in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.
Stop.